Uncle Mark here, welcome to the channel. Just a quick little video. We were camping, trying to stake our camping mats down to the ground. It's hard ground, and always bending those pegs. Tried all sorts of different ones, spent all sorts of money. Then some friends of ours had an idea. Well, I had an idea, and they've done this before. We'll show you what we're using, and if it can help you. So I tried all the typical pegs here, and then I had an idea, and I talked to some other camper friends, and they had these ideas of these big nails. We could call them Uncle Mark's unbendable tent pegs. You can whack them as hard as you want. Look at all the ones I have so far here. I've never. A couple years I started using these. Well, here, let's show you. None of these are bent. Take a lot. Well, I've driven them through little rocks and stuff like that too. So basically, I'll put down here how long it is, what kind of nail it is, and how big this washer is. Just have to make sure it doesn't fall. So I usually hit it like this. It's easy enough. Just hold the washer up like that. Don't hit your hands. Well, it's pretty soft there because it just rained, but let's go do some more. You should try and hold the washer to the top, because if it goes down, sometimes it wants to bind or whatever, but pinned in there a little bit, so you want to try and jiggle it to the top and hold it and then bang it down again. Otherwise, if it's stuck down there, the space between the washer and the head is going to stay the same. You'll figure it out. When it comes to taking them out, vice grips are the best, but if you can dig under there, maybe pull it up. I've used another one to, there you go. Depends on how soft or hard the ground is, but not easy. So I'll just show you some of the other ones I've had that I've bent. This actually was a pretty heavy duty peg, but this is quite a bit thicker. And that one too. Of course, these you can just, if you're strong enough, bend them straight again, but then if you hit something, they bend again. But not gonna bend that. So then you could just put them in like some kind of a container or something like that. Like, it's not really a Tupperware container. Mrs. Mark wants to be on the video.
No, thank you.
No, should I zoom you in? No. Anyway, just put them in that. Yeah. Something with a snap lid. This might be overkill, but this hammer will, you can use it for all sorts of stuff. Chalk in your tires, whatever. There you go.
Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Testing 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Trying not to be cut off. Head cut off and knees cut off. Here's an idea. If you're running across the same, banging our mats down, like staking our mats down